Hello, Fenton. So far, there's the wall that they wanted to scab out and decided against it. It shows that they are going to replace that section. They're going to replace that bit of wood there. And I guess this is the wall that they're going to put the new batten in before they put the concrete board up and tile it. Now they've been at work here. They've got the toilet stubbed out, so it's going to be cut to fit the right height once the tile's in. And it looks like they're planning on changing all that out just as easy. Good thing they're doing it. But that is the state of things that we're in. I will send this video along to you on... Oh, they put a ceiling in there. That's nice. I'll send this along. I'll post it on YouTube so you can look at it. And say hey to Katrina. This is Mike from the States. Out.